One another property unique for command buttons similar to default, it is cancel. On dialog boxes, allow me to open something. If I press enter or return key, default button, it is okay and gonna work. And if I press escape from my keyboard, the cancel button will do that. Actually, that's the same name, cancel. So inside of my form, allow me to go there. For close as an example, instead of set default, which we don't want, I could set the cancel true. So if I press escape from my keyboard, that command button trigger gonna activate it. And for login, let's say default true. So this is default, this is cancel. If I press enter or return key, default gonna work. And if I press escape from my keyboard, close or cancel gonna work that. Let's work on that. Run the program. If I press escape, the close gonna activate it. And if I press enter, allow me to type it, Alex123. Enter, default activated, escape, close activated.